Good morning. My name is Ulysses White. I'm an operator on line T power line, and I've been on that line for almost 10 years now. And so far, that line came a long way.
Yeah?
It came a long way. When TPM started, from step 0 to step 3, that's when we really got into the machine to see what was deteriorating for so long, because TPM was a new process for us. So right now, I think we're doing pretty good.
Okay. So step 0 to step 3, you learned the foundation of TPM. It's a culture change, right?
Yes. What we did, we got into, we done a lockout, tag out. That was our main safety point.
Mm-hmm.
Lock it out, get in there, inspect it, and see what was all deteriorating. Then from there, we done an initial clean, so we can inspect and see what was deteriorating also then too. Mm-hmm. We also wrote 1-point letters, 1-point
lessons.
Yeah, 1-point lessons. And then we wrote F tags on abnormalities and deteriorating parts and hoses and things like that nature.
Yeah, it's good. So once you learned that, how do you progress to the next level? I mean, what was the procedure, how to get to the next level?
Well, our next level, to get to step 1, we had to do an audit from the steering committee. They came down and went around the machine, made sure all our fire vessel was in place, and that's when we got 80%. So that's how we progressed. We have to get 80% on our audits to move to the next level.
Okay. So you did your own audits, right?
Yes, we did our own audits too, and graded our own selves, but we didn't reach 80% until we got our abnormalities figured out and corrected.
Okay.
And that's when we was doing pretty good.
So step 0 to 1, from 0 to 3, you learned the foundation, learn how to make boards, learn the culture of TPM, as working as a team, learn lockout, tag out. That was the number 1, right?
Yes.
So that's good. So after you went from 0 to 3, now you're at level 4. What is level 4? What did you learn level 4?
Level 4, we took level 4 from the run tank all the way to the end of the case package discharge. Now level 4 is when we learned about our modules, from pneumatic to using the right tool modules, electrical modules, our fastener modules, and our bearings,
power transmission,
and
electrical.
Right. We went through all those steps.
Okay.
And 4.
Now, for 3 aspects, what was the 3 aspects of module 4?
Safety 1, inspection, and basic skills. Now safety, they're like our tag out. We do that in every step that we've been through.
Also, you learned power transmission and stuff like that.
Power transmission, we went through the power transmission, learn about our main drives, our chains, our belts. Anything would make that drive movable.
Yeah, exactly.
We inspected our gears, sprockets, make sure that everything was in good shape.
Now, could you describe in your own words what you got out of the training?
I got a whole lot out of the training. Some things I didn't know about, especially like in boats, fasteners, standard metric sizes, how it got to be torqued, and the power transmission, about the gears, what moves this belt, or what sprocket moves this chain. It's a whole lot I got out of it. It makes the job more easier, and it gets me to realize what's important on a machine, what to inspect every day when you go on that line. It's like driving a tractor trailer. You want to make sure your brakes and everything is right before you move.
Exactly.
So, that's how I hope it's a whole lot I can get out that line. It's better than 10 years ago.
Yes. So now, when you create a F tag, it's more in a professional way of writing it down, right?
It's a better way of communicating with the mechanics, in a terminology of, I know the line just as well as you know it now, because I've been through the training with you, with the inspection, and just about everything you can learn about the machine.
Very good.
You know.
Very good.